welcome back everybody. This is David from SUPERIOR4x. Today I wanted to talk about a very important topic which I found important enough to even make this video and release it. It's called The Truth About Forex. I'm not going to say that Forex is some kind of scam. That's why I'm not here. But I am here to warn all the individuals who are planning to start trading, who are looking just from the sidelines of what Forex is all about. A lot of individuals don't even know what Forex is all about. Let me just break down what Forex is actually all about, just a little crash course. Forex is basically the exchange of currency. It's the buying and selling of currency. Unlike the stock market where you're just particularly focused on one stock, for example Apple, and you just buy a certain number of shares and you hold them. Hold them for a period of time until your stock price where you bought it at appreciates, and then you'll be in profits, and then you could sell the stock, therefore gaining profit. Forex, however, is buying and selling of currency at one time. That doesn't make sense to a lot of individuals. So basically, if we take Euro USD and we're going to be selling Euro USD, that means that the US dollar is appreciating. If you're looking at it from a chart perspective, if we would have been selling Euro USD, it would have been going down in a downtrend or whatever. It would have been going down on the chart. So for any of you who are just watching charts, looking around, that's essentially what Forex is. You're buying and selling of currencies. You buy low, you sell high, in hopes that the pair will appreciate in your favor. Now let's talk about the other side of Forex, and let's just talk about all these companies out there who are essentially offering some kind of membership, some kind of subscription to sign up to their service. I'm not going to get into any particular names of services who do this. I'm not here to bash anybody. However, I'm here to warn all the inspiring traders who are looking to come into this industry. Essentially, there has been a number of companies who are MLM companies. For those of you who do not know what MLM is, MLM stands for multi-level marketing companies. Basically what these companies do is they have some kind of service they offer, subscription service obviously, which is recurring month after month. So they could hire all these marketers or IBOs, like they call them, independent business owners, and they go out and they start marketing all this stuff. You know, it could have been some kind of algorithm, some kind of trading robot, some kind of educational course. But the funny thing is, you're gonna get charged every month for this service. And they guarantee you a certain number of pips. For those of you who do not know what pips are, pips is basically a unit of measurement in how much a market moves, given on any pair you're trading, commodity or energy sector. It's basically a certain number of pips is how much market has moved, appreciated up or down, and then therefore you calculate your profits that way. We never talk in terms of how much money you're gonna make. We always refer to how many pips I'm going to make. X amount of pips, not X amount of money. That's just about pips. However, now let's get back into these companies. They could offer you a certain number of pips, like 250 pips guaranteed a month, or a week, or whatever, a day maybe. This is very, very rubbish. Now, all of this can seem very enticing at first. You could go on Instagram, you could go on Facebook, maybe YouTube. All these individuals are posting these crazy profits. you know, crazy profits. All you see is like profit, 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 all these blue profits, but you don't even see any kind of analysis behind it. Like if one of you inspiring new traders goes and comments on one of their pictures on Instagram, on Facebook, whatever, a social media platform, and you could ask them, oh, where are these profits coming from? You know, why exactly did you take this trade? I can guarantee you that they will have no answer for you. You know, and that's why I'm here today, just to kind of give a word of advice to be cautious when you see all these memberships going around here nowadays. Now you gotta understand, I'm not here to offer some kind of service. If you have seen my previous video, I offer one-on-one mentorship in my region where I'm currently from, Bellevue, Washington. Just one-on-one for now. However, due to high demand, I plan to go on and open up an online mentorship. And if you have been following me on my Telegram, on my Instagram, I've been active down there probably the most. You could see that I always post transparency. I post before a trade, I give out analysis, then I post the results after. If you have been following my Telegram, the 500 people who are following me on my Telegram, they see this day in, day out. There's always transparency provided to why I take a certain trade, what I'm aiming for, what I'm targeting. You know, there's always a technical side behind it. So essentially, all comes down to be very, very, very careful to all these companies going out there. You know, all these marketers running around flashing, you know, their little flashy lifestyle, their little Ferrari rentals, they're probably fake Rolex watches, you know. Just, they make it seem like it's a quick get-rich scheme, which is absolutely not. Every experienced trader in the market will tell you that's complete BS. You know, that's complete BS. It's not you wake up one day, you can make a certain number of money, and then you just go on overnight. No, this is not no overnight type of thing. You're basically always gonna stay a sheep in a sense to all these companies, because they're always gonna continuously keep feeding you all these signals, all these different algorithms. You know, you're never gonna become independent, and that's our mission statement here at SUPERIOR4x, to make profitable independent traders. And all these companies out there who are offering all these monthly memberships for their services, that's just not the proper way for, if you're ever thinking about long term, which nobody thinks about this long term. They think about this, you know, they do their regular job and then they might do this on the side. Nobody thinks this long term. You know, if you're really on the path of becoming a real trader, you're gonna have to kind of just focus on trading. You know, there's no 5% of this and 5% of trading and 95% of your regular stuff you do on the side, your real job. You know, if you really plan on being successful in this industry, you're gonna have to dive in all the way. There's no like head out and, you know, and you're all in. You have to be all in to see any kind of success in this industry. And of course, success is not guaranteed. If somebody guarantees you some kind of success, again, stay away, be very, very, very cautious. And if you are looking for mentorship out there anywhere by yourself, always ask for the individual to provide some kind of transparency. Either their trading accounts show that they are live, some kind of withdrawal history, any kind of history before you take any kind of course, so you could, you know, protect your own self, because there's a lot of garbage, all these clowns running around offering some kind of services, like, you know, people you can see probably stealing my analysis and going out there and try to sell it to someone else online. You know, I just laugh at these kind of people, because I know that they're thinking short term about this, and they're not serious. They're not serious traders at all. You know, they're just lying to their own selves, trying to offer some kind of service where they don't even know what they're doing about themselves. You know, all they're essentially running around selling all these services, recruiting more individuals, and just building passive income by more people they bring into the company, the more they're gonna get paid. But at the end of the day, they don't know nothing else about trading Forex. You know, just sit down, and sometimes if you do run into these marketers, ask them questions. You know, ask them questions. What is Forex? How does it work? How do you calculate pips? How do you calculate leverage? How do you calculate risk to reward per trade? You know, just these simple basic questions, and I guarantee you they will not have an answer for you. So just be very, very, very cautious in all of this BS that is going around. You know, it might seem very enticing, but it's very, very deceiving. Very, very deceiving. There's no algorithm out there that somebody can promise you or guarantee you that will make you a certain amount of money. The best algorithm, I keep on saying, the best algorithm is right here, your head. There's nothing that will ever beat this brain up here. You know, so essentially I'm gonna wrap this up, and I'm gonna say be very, very, very cautious about all these companies out there. They could be either MLM companies, if they're recruiting somebody, if they're saying bring people in, recruit people in, they'll give you a link, you sign up. If they offer you X amount of pips, which is guaranteed, if they offer you anything that is guaranteed in this industry, be very, very cautious. And if you do go out and seek some kind of private mentorship, always ask for some kind of form of transparency. Ask for either broker accounts. Make sure it's a live tradable account. Ask for withdrawal history. You know, ask all these questions. Don't be very careful when you just see all these profits, all just blue profits, nothing else. You don't see no work, no analysis whatsoever. Just be very, very cautious about all this. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. It's just, I thought it was very, very important to make this video for all the new traders out there who are looking to start trading or who are interested in the Forex, foreign exchange markets. That said, stay tuned for more videos that are going to be released very soon. As I promised, educational content will start coming out. You know, from the very basics, A to Z. I will start releasing content slowly. And you could also follow me on my Telegram page. It's about 500 plus members right now. On a daily basis, I post analysis, before and after transparency, of course. Follow me on my Instagram page as well. And I'll be releasing a Facebook page group as well, where I'll be posting webinars, live webinars, where I'll be doing live webinars for all inspiring new traders. That said, I'm going to wrap this video up, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.